Thank you so much. May I know?
Compliment you for taking a lead in academics which shapes the society, which shapes the mindset, which shapes the thinking process, and which promotes and also blazes path for the posterity to come. I also congratulate professors who have taught you, and importantly, I compliment the parents who have supported you in this process of education. From Niti Shatak, that's an ancient literature of India. From Niti Shatak, I would like to quote a stanza. The stanza means that these are the parents who are responsible for the education of their ward. And if they do not do that, then the wards will be like crane in the assemblage of the science. And the stanza is, and I quote, Mata Shatru, Pita Vairi, Jena Bhalena Patita. Mother is enemy and father is foe who have not taught their children in their childhood. Mata Shatru, Pita Vairi, Jena Bhalena Patita, Na Shobhate, Sabha Madhe, Hans Madhe Vakoyatha. So they don't fit in the galaxy of the society, in the elite of the society, and therefore education is must. What you have got, what you are doing. I compliment Vice Chancellor of Ladakh University, Professor Surendra Kumar Mehta, for his pragmatic work. He has held convocation. This is the first one in the university, and he has organized it well. Holding of convocation is not only a ceremony, it is an academic process and procedure, and it has got its own sanctity, and it must be done on time and also periodically. The glory of an university. It is a combined approach of the teachers, of the taught students, and of the supporting staff. They have got to be in unison and they have got to promote the university to its acme. Now, in that, there are few things which are absolutely derogatory, which absolutely stop the and cut the path of progress of a university, and that is lawlessness on the campus. That is first. Second, agitation on premises, and third, damages and breakages. Now, there is nothing on this earth, particularly in an academic atmosphere, where people are being educated, where people are educating, where the education is being given, and where the education is being taken. There is nothing which cannot be resolved by dialogue. Unless one of the three segments that I mentioned, the teacher, the taught, and the support staff, unless one of them had decided that there should be agitation. Delhi, they will say which university? And if you say Ladakh University, and Ladakh University has not been peaceful, they will say, acha, acha, acha. And substance, these come down in the eyes of the person who is standing in front of you.
तारीख डे था यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लद्दाख एंड इन जनरल लद्दाख के लिए कि हमने फर्स्ट कन्वोकेशन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लद्दाख का ऑर्गेनाइज किया। तो उसमें आपने ये ऑब्जर्व किया कि हमने मोर देन अराउंड 200 स्टूडेंट्स को डिग्री दी, अवार्ड किया आज। तो ऑनरेबल एलजी ने आज बड़ा हमें इनकरेज किया और इसी तरह हमारे एडवाइज़र टू एलजी हैं, वो उनकी भी बड़ी हमारे पर सपोर्ट है। और हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, आपने देखा पीजी और यूजी के बच्चे इक्वल नंबर में ऑलमोस्ट जिनको आज डिग्री दी है। टोटल डिग्रीज तो हमारे पास हमने जो अवार्ड किया है वो मोर देन 500 है, पर कुछ बच्चे इन एब्सेंसिया डिग्री अवार्ड हुई है। तो एक यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए माइलस्टोन हुआ। यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत फास्ट ट्रैक से प्रोग्रेस कर रही है, बहुत हमारे सेंटर की हमें बड़ी सपोर्ट है। और सबसे बड़ी बात थी कि प्रिंसिपल साइंटिफिक एडवाइजर टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया जो पीएम जो मीटिंग्स होती हैं उसमें होते हैं, तो उनका यहाँ आना और यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए सपोर्ट करना, और आगे के लिए हमें इतना एडवांटेज होगा साइंटिफिक लेवल पे कि हमें बहुत ग्रांट्स मिलने की और नेशनल लेवल पे यूनिवर्सिटी को और आगे ले जाने की बहुत सारा हमें एक माइलस्टोन हमारे लिए होगा।
Oh, this is absolutely a momentous moment when University of Ladakh is having the first convocation. It also tells the trajectory of this institute it will take in coming years. It has made tremendous progress in the last few years. Many new courses started and so on, and I am extremely helpful that this university will be a boon to this region. Not only to this region but entire ecosystem of our country. So I am extremely hopeful and very glad that we could do that. Thank you so much.
Can we have loud round of applause, please? Your applause will be a round of encouragement for the students.